How's it going, you guys? It's Scott with Everyday Home Repairs, and I just wanted to update you on a request I had sent out earlier in the week. I put out a request asking for questions that you had on specific repairs or maintenance items around your house. Now, you guys delivered. I had a ton of great questions come in, and then I was able to select those down to 3 questions for this week. Now, the plan is going forward that I'll continue to answer 3 questions per week. So below this video, you will see a link to that form where you can fill out your specific question and, very importantly, add pictures so we can get a better understanding of what you're facing and give very targeted and specific feedback. Now, what I plan on doing is putting all 3 questions into one video, but then also breaking those out so they're a little more searchable for the future. So in the future, when we have hundreds and hundreds of questions, they're going to be easier to search to get exactly what you want and get the answer that I provided. And then those videos are specifically not going to be published to Everyday Home Repairs YouTube channel because they're a little different format and it's just better that they live somewhere else. So there is a new channel called Everyday Home Repairs Help, and that is where all those different videos will be published, and those videos are already published for this week. So I do need your help. I need you to go over to the channel by clicking the link below this video. So you'll see a link in the description below this video. Click on that link and subscribe to that channel. I do need a little help getting that channel going, but I'll continue to publish weekly the answers to your guys' questions and help as many people as possible. And then just another side note, you guys might not have known this, but we actually have another channel, and that is Everyday Home Repairs en Español. I've been working on that channel for a while and have a gentleman down in Mexico that's been helping me make the Spanish voiceover to the videos that we already have on Everyday Home Repairs. So if Spanish is your predominant language, you would prefer the same type of videos but in Spanish opposed to English, you can also see the link below this video. And we already have over 60 videos translated, and we'll continue to work through our 290 videos that are in the Everyday Home Repairs library. And then going forward, we'll continue to translate those to help as many people as possible. So as always, thank you guys for your support. Don't forget, if you have questions, you'll see the link below this video where you can ask your specific question, and every week I'll be going through 3 different questions. And then don't forget, you do have the opportunity to be the first subscriber of Everyday Home Repairs Help channel, as that channel is brand new and I need a little help building that up. So thank you for your support. And another way to get over to that other channel is to click this video right here, and that will include all 3 answers to the questions for this week on that new channel.